Okay guys, welcome back. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram with the link in the comment section. So let's see what to be expecting on our GBPJPY. Let's start with our overall trade, GBPJPY. This is clearly on an uptrend. You can see it right. We are having a series of higher high and an higher low. Now, if you take a look at this market here, I want you guys to understand something. This is our high, right? Pay attention so you understand what market is currently doing. This is the higher low. Market eventually give us a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Now, market eventually did what? Give us a new higher high, and here's the higher low. So what is market doing? Currently, market is about to give us a new higher high. So this is for swing traders. You should be looking to open for your buy till market eventually take out this previous high by forming a new high. With this movement, you should be expecting about 200 pips or more. So we should be expecting more movements. More than 200 pips movement is what we should be expecting on GBP JPY.